Right here is the loudest straight pipe V6 on their board. It's pretty fucking loud, as you just heard, and I still have 2 more cats. I only took off the third one that's like right by the rest now, but that still made like a really good difference. Now this shit is loud as fuck. I just wanted to do like one more small thing with the V6 before I swap it out with the Hellcat engine, but by the time you guys are watching this, it's probably already done. So if you haven't seen that video already, you can click right here on screen to go watch it.